In ECMA 2023, you will get 3 new functions, either toReversed, toSorted, and toSpliced. The main idea of these functions is they create a shallow copy of an array instead of mutating the original array. Let's look into first. toReversed, it just reverses the order of the items in your array. And instead of 1, 2, 3, you will get 3, 2, 1. And it's the same as a reverse function. The main difference is reverse actually mutates the original array, while toReversed creates a shallow copy. Another one is toSorted. And toSorted, it sorts the array. So if we have 3, 1, 2, it will sort it into 1, 2, 3. And it's the same as sort function, but sort is actually mutates our original array. And as you can guess, we have toSpliced, and toSpliced is removes element from your array. Here it removes the first element. And if we run, it's the same as splice function, but it creates a shallow copy. And it's very important to realize that it creates shallow copy, because in 99% of the cases, you will work with objects. And here we have just 2 elements, customers, Alex and Sasha, and we toReverse them. And then on reverse array, we are changing the name to ISDF. Because in JavaScript, the objects are passed by reference, here's the problem. It actually mutates the original array. And as we can see, our original array, now instead of Sasha, you will get name ISDF. To fix it, you can create a real copy with a structural clone. In this case, it will create a deep copy, and when we rerun, it will not change the original array. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.